How can you be this close to something and not want to look at it all the time? I can smell the salt marsh. You can see all the, I don't know if you can see them or not, but there's sandpipers all along that little sandbar. There's a black-backed gull. There's a cormorant drying out his feathers in the sun. I don't know how anybody can be this close to this and not want to look at it every single minute. I miss nature so much. And sadly, walking is really hard, so I'm reduced to birds in the backyard. Oh, there goes the gull. But absolutely beautiful.